In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Google Meet effectively in just 5 minutes. Whether you're attending a virtual meeting for work, school, or a catch up with friends, knowing how to efficiently use the chat feature is essential to communicate clearly and keep the meeting smooth. Let's jump right into it. First things first, before you can start chatting on Google Meet, you need to join a meeting. This might seem obvious, but it's a crucial step to ensure you're set up to communicate. You'll either receive a link from the meeting organizer, or you might need to enter a meeting code to get started. Once you've successfully joined the meeting, you're ready to start chatting. Now direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a chat icon. This looks like a small speech bubble. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will open up the chat window where you can see messages from other participants as well as type your own. It's a great tool for sharing quick thoughts, links, or documents without interrupting the ongoing discussion. With the chat window open, it's time to type your message. Simply click into the text box at the bottom of the chat window. This is where you'll enter your message. As you type, make sure to keep your messages clear and concise, especially if it's a busy meeting. Being direct helps everyone stay on the same page and keeps the meeting on track. Once you're satisfied with your message and you've reviewed it to ensure clarity and accuracy, it's time to send it off. You can either click the send button, which you'll find right next to the text box, or you can simply press enter on your keyboard. Both actions will deliver your message to all the participants in the meeting. If you're using the chat to ask questions, provide resources, or add to the discussion, this feature can be incredibly helpful. A quick tip: while chatting, be mindful of the tone and content. Text can sometimes be interpreted differently than spoken words, so try to avoid sarcasm or ambiguous language that might be misunderstood. Also, keep in mind that the chat is visible to everyone in the meeting, so it's always best to maintain professionalism where applicable. And there you have it. Using the chat function in Google Meet is as simple as that. In just a few easy steps, you can enhance your meeting experience, ensuring that communication remains open and effective throughout. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment and I'd be happy to help.